Construction of special triangles. In this module, you will learn about construction of special triangles with different measurements given. Let's construct a triangle when two sides and altitude on third side are given. Construct a triangle PQR in which PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeters, PR is equal to 4 centimeters, and length of perpendicular from P on QR is 2.6 centimeters. Solution. Let's construct it step by step. First, draw a line segment AB. Mark a point O on line segment AB anywhere. Draw line SO perpendicular to AB with sufficiently large line SO. With O as a center and radius 2.6 centimeters, draw an arc cutting line SO at P. Now with P as a center and radius 3.5 centimeters, draw an arc cutting AB at Q, and with radius 4 centimeters, draw an arc cutting AB at R. Join PQ and PR. Thus, PQR is required triangle. Let us construct a triangle whose base and corresponding altitude are given. Construct a triangle PQR in which altitude from P on QR is 3.6 centimeters and base QR is 4.2 centimeters. Solution. Let's construct it step by step. Draw any line segment XY with help of scale and mark QR of length 4.2 centimeters on it. Draw straight line SO perpendicular to QR, where O is the point on QR. With O as a center and radius 3.6 centimeters, using compass, draw an arc cutting SO at P. Join PQ and QR. Thus, PQR is the required triangle. Let us construct a right-angled triangle whose one side and hypotenuse are given. Construct a right-angled triangle QPO in which angle O is equal to 90 degrees and OP is equal to 5 centimeter and QP is equal to 6 centimeter. Solution. Let's construct it step by step. Draw a line segment XY using a scale. Measure 5 centimeters from scale and mark point O and P on XY, such that OP is 5 centimeters. Construct a line segment OS sufficiently large, such that angle SOP is equal to 90 degrees. Now with P as center and radius 6 centimeters, draw an arc cutting OS at point Q. Join QP. Thus QPO is required right-angled triangle. Let us construct an isosceles triangle whose altitude and vertex angle are given. Construct an isosceles triangle PQR whose altitude is 5 centimeters and vertex angle is 60 degrees. Solution. Let's construct it step by step. Draw a line segment XY, take a point M on XY and draw perpendicular MN on XY. With M as a center and radius 5 centimeters, draw an arc cutting MN at point P. Construct Q and R on XY such that angle MPQ is 60 degrees by 2, that is equal to 30 degrees, and angle MPR is 60 degrees by 2, that is 30 degrees. Thus, PQR is required triangle. Let us construct a triangle whose perimeter and Base angles are given. Construct a triangle PQR whose perimeter is 10.6 centimeters and whose base angles are 55 degrees and 60 degrees. Solution. Let's construct it step by step. Draw a line segment and locate points A and C on line segment such that AC is equal to 10.6 centimeters. Construct a ray AB such that angle CAB is equal to 55 degrees and ray QS such that angle ACD is 60 degrees. Draw bisectors AS and CO of angle CAB and ACD. Let them intersect at P. Draw perpendicular bisector of PA and PC. Let them intersect AC at Q and R respectively. Join PQ and PR. Thus PQR is required triangle. Let us construct a triangle when its base, sum of the other two sides are given. Construct a triangle PQR in which PQ is equal to 7.8 centimeters, QR plus PR equal to 9.7 centimeters, and angle Q is equal to 80 degrees. Solution. Let's construct it step by step. Draw a line segment PQ of length 7.8 centimeters. Draw line segment OQ such that angle PQO is equal to 80 degrees. On segment OQ, taking Q as center and radius 9.7 centimeters, draw an arc cutting OQ at S. Join PS. Draw perpendicular bisector of PS and let it intersect QS at R. Join PR. Thus PQR is required triangle. Let us construct a triangle when its base, difference of the other two sides and one base angle are given. Construct a triangle PQR in which PQ is equal to 8 centimeters, PR minus PQ equal to 4 centimeters, and angle P is equal to 40 degrees. Solution. Let's construct it step by step. Draw a line segment PQ of length 8 centimeters. Draw another line segment PZ sufficiently large such that angle QPZ is equal to 40 degree. On the segment PZ, cut off line segment PS equal to 4 centimeters, that is PR minus PQ. Then join QS. Draw the perpendicular bisector of QS and let it cut PZ at R. Join QR. Thus PQR is required triangle. Let us construct an equilateral triangle of given height. Construct an equilateral triangle of height 3.2 centimeters. Solution. Let's construct it step by step. Take any point S on line segment and draw OS such that OS is perpendicular to AB. With S as a center and radius 3.2 centimeters, draw an arc cutting OS at X. Construct angle SXY equal to 30 degrees, angle SXZ 30 degrees, with points Y and Z and AB. Thus XYZ is the required triangle. Let us revise all that we have learned in this module, construction of special triangles.